Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is by a company called HICC GROOM, and they are some hypoallergenic pet glove wipes. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, they look like this. They come in these little pouches here. They are already pre-moistened and ready to go to clean your pet. Like I said, they are meant to cleanse and deodorize. So they're good on your cat or on your dog. They're really great if you go to the dog park or something like that. You don't want to do a full bath. Just throw one of these gloves on and then quickly kind of give them a scratch and a pet down, and it'll help neutralize all those odors. As far as what it's utilizing, it is utilizing coconut oil for cleaning and moisturizing, and it's using oatmeal for moisturizing and calming. The ingredients are all right here on the back, and they're all pet safe. So your pet can easily lick their fur afterwards, and it'll keep them healthy. They're not, doesn't have any of the toxic stuff in them, which is really nice, and obviously very important. Like I said, they're very easy to use. You can just simply use one once a week to keep your pet super clean and soft. I will notice when I use these on my cat, his fur is just super soft compared to when he just bathes himself. So that's a nice little feature. But yeah, overall, that's the ins and outs of these. Kind of to open it up here, you just simply twist it like so. And then when you pull out, you get the gloves right here, and you just slide them on your hand. And like I said, they're very easy to utilize when grooming your pet. But overall, if you are in the market for some quick, easy cleaning gloves for your pet, I do totally recommend checking these out. They also smell really, really good because of that coconut oil. But overall, if there's something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.